Wes, does your boss know you're working on the competitor's airplane?
Yeah,
Get out of here, Chris.
switched out and put 3-way fans.
You see, here's the official deal. I am currently Wes's employer for this weekend.
That's true.
There it is.
Yep, you heard it there first.
So yes, your boss does know.
Yes,
He's right here.
Yeah, that's the goal.
show him the inside.
This permanent.
What's on the inside?
Oh, there you go, flight log. You see.
So how many flights?
I fly everybody's airplanes.
RC Jet works good. I was the guy they were like, you know, whatever. And I'm like,
All right, Brett, taxi out. Just take about one step back, please. 56, clear for takeoff.
not complicated. It's just the just completed one.
All right, 747 gear pass. I'm going to follow. Pick it up in gear pass. You only got 20 seconds? We're on final. All right, look, Taryn, you're next.
All right, what do you think?
Too much fun. That was flight number 7. You know, the first few flights are a little unnerving, but once you get it down, once we put the reverse thrust in there with the brakes, oh yeah, it's fun. It's fun. It's a big pussycat, big kite. You want to fly?
I gotta go.
All right, see ya.